Hi, my 10 years of GMAT teaching experience should be of interest to you. I'm sure I can contribute to your learning. I have published a book and created a YouTube channel and would appreciate the opportunity to show you how I can help you meet your goals. Hi, let's start with odd and even number concept. We will look at some important points for this topic. Starting with even numbers, we know that the numbers which are evenly divisible by 2 are even numbers, or in other words, the numbers which have unit digit of 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8 are even numbers. Second point is the general form of even numbers, which is 2k, where k is an integer. You might require to use general form of even numbers in some of the questions. General form of even consecutive numbers is 2k, 2k plus 2, 2k plus 4 and so on. Now we will start with odd numbers. Numbers which are not evenly divisible by 2 are odd numbers, or in other words, numbers which have unit digit of 1 or 3 or 5 or 7 or 9 are odd numbers. Odd numbers can be written in general form as 2k plus 1, where k is an integer. Consecutive odd numbers can be written in general form as 2k plus 1, 2k plus 3, 2k plus 5 and so on. 13 can be written as 2 times 6 plus 1. Now some important points. First point is odd number raised to any positive integer is odd. Simple example could be 5, which is odd number, is raised to the power 36 is odd. Second point, even number raised to any positive integer is even. When 6, which is even number, is raised to the power 35, the answer is even. Now moving ahead with addition, subtraction, multiplication of odd and even numbers. We know odd plus odd is even, odd plus even is odd, even plus even is even. This holds true for subtraction as well. Odd minus odd is even, odd minus even is odd, even minus even is even. Now let's start with multiplication. Odd times odd is odd times even is even, and even times even is even. Please make a note that in multiplication, when one number is even, the answer is even. Let's start with practice question 1. What is the value of 25 times 35 plus 26 times 36? We may solve this question with odd and even nature of numbers. 25, which is odd, is multiplied with 35, which is odd. And we know that odd times odd is odd. 26, which is even, multiplied by 36, which is even number. Now we know that even times even is even. Now the first term is odd plus an even term. Only one odd answer is in the options. Hence, E is the correct option. Practice question 2. If x and y are positive integers, is x even? Statement 1. X raised to power y plus 1 is odd. We may rewrite it as x raised to power y is equal to odd minus 1, which is even. Now x raised to power y is even. We know even raised to the power any positive integer is even, hence x is even. Statement 1 alone is sufficient to answer the question. Let's understand statement 2 alone. X upon y is even. So x is equal to y times even number. As product of y and even number is even, x is even. Statement 2 alone is sufficient to answer the question. D is the correct option. Practice question 3. Is positive integer m odd? Understanding statement 1 alone. M is equal to 3 times 2k plus 5. Now the term 2k is even. Even plus 5, which is odd, gives answer odd. Now 3, which is odd, times an odd number is odd. Hence, m is odd. Statement 1 alone is sufficient. Understanding statement 2 alone. 4 times m is multiple of 3, which means 4m is equal to 3 times n, where n is an integer. Rearranging the terms, m is equal to 3 upon 4 times n. Substitute n is equal to 4, m is equal to 3, odd. Substitute n is equal to 8, m is equal to 6, even. Odd even nature of m is not known. Statement 2 alone is not sufficient to answer the question. A is correct. I hope you must have gained from the video. For more practice of such questions, you may refer to my book on number properties, where step-by-step solution is provided for your understanding.